Oh yeah, they do. All right. So what do they charge for the manok? Huh? Pizza, New York style. Wow, that's good. That's good. How much do you charge for your manok? $220?
Yes, 220 and 240.
$220, $240.
Yeah.
Okay.
1.2 kilogram and 1.1 kilogram.
All right. We just moved into the
I see.
property.
Welcome to the community, sir.
Yeah, and we're doing vlogs, right?
Okay, yeah.
YouTube vlogs. You can look us up if you want, and we're just trying to discover what's here. So,
Yeah.
so do you make the pizza dough yourself?
We make our own pizza dough and recipe, original
Sauce and everything.
sauce and everything.
Okay.
Even the spicy liver sauce.
All right. So how big are your pizzas?
Right now we have only two sizes. We have 10 and 12.
10 and 12.
Okay. Yeah, maybe
12 is big enough. How much do you charge for them?
Oh, sorry.
No. He's just asking.
About?
But right now, sir, we don't have any more dough. We're sold out.
Oh, you sold out for
Yeah.
today. So that means you have a good business.
Not quite. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The available is roasted right now, the 1.2
Okay.
kilogram.
But every day you make dough every day.
Yes, sir. We make fresh dough.
Right. And I understand Sundays are like everybody's home and buying
Yeah.
pizza and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I got to try your pizza. We actually had a pizza down in Dao, but I got tired of it.
Okay.
It's a
I see.
it's a lot of hours and not so much
You're a
money.
businessman before or chef or what?
Little bit of everything.
Okay, that's good. Like MacGyver, huh?
Yeah, MacGyver. Yeah. You remember that show?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
From what country are you, sir?
I'm from Sweden.
Sweden.
Yeah.
I see. You have a good pizza there.
Oh yeah.
I know.
Yeah, we have good pizza there.
Not like in the Asian.
In the 70s when I grew up, 60s and 70s when I grew up, we had a lot of Italians coming, migrating to Sweden,
Okay.
and they opened up pizzerias.
Yeah.
Mwah. Good stuff.
I know it's only leaves and two kinds of mozzarella and cheese.
Yeah,
Only like that.
yeah.
Not like in the Philippines here.
You use real mozzarella?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We use real
Well,
mozzarella.
I'm going to try your pizza. I'm sad you didn't have any dough today. I would have bought.
I'm so sorry.
I would have bought one. But we'll do it
Okay.
maybe tomorrow.
Yes,
you
sir.
you
It's
open
available.
7 days open?
Yes, sir.
You have a little card?
Right now we don't have, but we have page and FB account. That BIGBEN rotisserie, you can see it. Yeah, yes, sir.
All right. Oh, okay. Big Rain. Right there.
Yeah.
Okay. New York style pizza. Okay, so we'll be back, okay?
Okay, sir.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.